Student, good morning all of you. I would like to say you that we have already studied about first lesson. Today I am going to teach you second lesson. The second lesson is Black Beauty. Name of second lesson, The Black Beauty. Today we will know about the second lesson, Black Beauty. First of all, we will know about the author of this lesson, about the writer of this lesson. यह किसके द्वारा लिखा गया उसके बारे में हम लोग सबसे पहले जानेंगे. This chapter has been written by Anna Schwell. Writer of this chapter is Anna Schwell. First of all, we know about Anna Schwell, who is writer of this chapter. Anna Schwell was a British novelist. She is best known for her novel Black Beauty. This chapter has been taken from a novel Black Beauty, which is written by Anna Schwell. Anna Schwell was a British novelist. वह इंग्लैंड के नोवेलिस्ट थी. शी इज बेस्ट नोन फॉर हर नोवेल. उनको जाना जाता है उनके ब्लैक ब्यूटी नोवेल के द्वारा, which is one of the most popular books with children. It is popular book for children. Black Beauty, this novel is popular for children. Anna originally wrote the book to help people understand horses better so that they could take better care of them. In this novel, she wrote to help people understand horses better. उन लोगों के बारे में लिखा है जो घोड़ों के बारे में बेहतर जानते हैं, so that they could take better care of them. और उन घोड़ों के ऊपर काफी ध्यान देते हैं, उसकी अच्छी सी देख रेख करते हैं. Black Beauty, which is now considered one of the top 10 best selling novel for children ever written, although it was entertained at the time for an adult audience. Wikipedia. See, it means Anna Schwell was born on 30 March 1820. इनका जन्म जो है 30 मार्च 1820 को हुआ था, and she died 25 April 1878. I think that you understand about the author of this lesson, Anna Schwell. Now we will discuss about the word meaning of this lesson. First, saddle. It means that a leather seat for a राइडर ऑन ए हॉर्स, घोड़े पर जो सवारी करता है उसके लिए घोड़े के पीठ पर जो सीट रखा जाता है दैट इज कॉल्ड सैडल। नेक्स्ट, ब्राइडल, ए सेट ऑफ स्टार दैट इज पुट around a horse's head and used for controlling it, that is called bridle। एक सेट होता है जिसमें जिसको घोड़े के सिर पे रखा जाता है उसके नियंत्रण को बनाने के लिए और उसे कंट्रोल करने के लिए, उसे हम लोग ब्राइडल कहते हैं। आगे नेक्स्ट है ट्रॉट, द मूवमेंट ऑफ ए हॉर्स टेकिंग क्विक स्मॉल स्टेप्स, दैट इज कॉल्ड ट्रॉट। घोड़ा पहले धीरे धीरे चलता है, पहले धीरे धीरे डेग रखता है, उसके बाद तेज चाल चलता है। उस धीरे धीरे चलने के चाल को हम ट्रॉट कहते हैं। एंड लास्ट है स्क्वायर, ए मैन ऑफ हाई सोशल स्टेटस हु ओन्स मोस्ट ऑफ द लैंड इन ए कंट्री एरिया। वैसे लोग जो, इट मीन्स दैट जमींदार जिसको हम कहते हैं, जिसके पास बहुत अधिक भूमि हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्वायर। ओके डियर स्टूडेंट, नाउ वी विल रीड this lesson reading portion. It says that horses have been domesticated and trained by humans since ancient time. The people have been domesticated and trained horse सिंस एंशियंट टाइम, प्राचीन काल से ही लोग घोड़े को पालते हैं और उसे ट्रेंड करते हैं, उसे प्रशिक्षित करते हैं। रीड दिस स्टोरी अबाउट ए हॉर्स नेम्ड ब्लैक ब्यूटी इन हिज ओन वर्ड्स टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई हॉर्सेस आर loved and valued so much. We will read in this story about a horse whose name is Black Beauty. In this story, we will learn about a horse whose name is Black Beauty. His own words to understand why horses are loved, why we love to the horse. We will learn in this story why we love to the horse. हम लोग घोड़े से इतना प्यार क्यों करते हैं, इसको हम लोग इस कहानी के माध्यम से पढ़ेंगे। This story is, one night I had eaten my lay and was laid down in my straw fast asleep when I was suddenly woke by the stable bell ringing very loud. I heard the door of John's house open and his feet running up to the hall. This paragraph said by the horse whose name is Black Beauty. He said in this paragraph, he says that he had eaten his hay. It means सूखी घास जो घोड़े खाते हैं, घास, that is called hay. And he was laid down in his straw fast asleep. When he was awoke by the stable bell ringing very loud. अचानक स्तबल का घंटी बजने लगता है और उसकी नींद खुल जाती है, वह जग जाता है. And he heard that the sound of door of John's room and sound of feet of John's, who was running up to the hall. Okay, understand? Next paragraph is, wake up beauty, you must go well now, if ever you did. And almost before I could think, he had got the saddle on my back and the bridle on my head, and then took me at a quick trot up to the hall door. The squire stood there with a lamp in his hand. Now, meaning of this paragraph is, the John wake up black beauty, wake up black beauty, वह black beauty को जगाता है, कहता है you must go well now, if ever you said did, and almost before I could think. Before the thinking of black beauty, he had got the saddle on his back. जॉन क्या करता है, वो सैडल, इट मीन्स right here on the board, meaning of this word saddle, a seat, a leather seat for a rider. घोड़े पर बैठने के लिए जो सीट रखा जाता है चमड़े का, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं, सैडल कहते हैं. तो बिफोर थिंकिंग to the black beauty, John put saddle to his back and the bridle on his head, and then took him quick trot to the hall door. At the hall door, the squire stand there with a lamp in his hand. अभी घोड़ा सोच ही रहा था, तब तक जो है जॉन उसके पीठ पर वो सैडल रख देता है, फिर उसके हेड पर वो ब्राइडल रख देता है और उसे लेकर के बरामदे हॉल से बाहर निकलना शुरू कर देता है. हॉल के गेट पर वो व्यक्ति जो उसका स्क्वायर था, उसका मालिक था, जमींदार जो था, वो लैंप लेकर के खड़ा है. नाउ जॉन, ही सेड, राइट फॉर योर लाइफ, दैट इज फॉर योर मिस्टेस लाइफ. There is not a moment to lose. Give this note to Dr. White. Give your horse a rest at the inn and be back as soon as you can. कहता है, now John, he said, the squire said to the John that you ride very fast the horse to save the life of your mistress. अपनी मालकिन की जान को बचाने के लिए तुम्हें जितना हो सके तेजी से दौड़ सकते हो, दौड़ोगे. there is not a moment, एक पल गंवाए बिना. Give the note to the Dr. White. Give your horse in a rest at the inn, और थोड़ी देर आराम करके, and be back as soon as you can, और जितनी जल्दी हो सके तुम वापस आ जाना. John said, yes sir, and was on my back in a minute. John said that to the squire that, yes sir, and was on my back in a minute. कहता है सर देरी नहीं करेंगे, हम तुरंत वापस आएंगे. Now we stop this study here. Dear children, you write this word meaning in your copy and read this chapter again and again. Next paragraph we will learn next day, next class. Okay.